guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my morning clean with me. So in the morning I kind of just clean up around the house, do little things just to make it a little bit more neater. I don't do any deep cleaning, I save that for another time, but it's just what I do in the morning. So I'm going to start off with emptying my dishwasher. So I'm taking all the clean dishes out and putting them back in the cupboard, and I'm just going to put whatever dirty dishes that I can back in the dishwasher.
So free now.
So onto the kitchen, I'm going to start by taking some of the clean dishes that we had from the other night and putting them away. And then I'm just going to fill up the sink with some soap and water, and I'm going to start cleaning up all the dishes that can't go in the dishwasher. So like pots, pans, plastics, all that. And I'm also going to be washing all the cutting boards and the tray that goes inside the microwave.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter.
And because this is my morning cleaning routine, I don't have a lot of time, so to save a little bit of time, when I'm done washing all my dishes, I just put them in this little rack we have in the other sink, and I let them sit there and they'll air dry. So let's let them sit there like all day, and then later on during the night when I have more time, I'll just quickly put them away.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
On to clean all the counters, so pretty much I'm just wiping down the counters, and I did use my Lysol kitchen spray just because I had like some jam and stuff on the counter, so it just makes it easier to scrub that off. And then I'm going in with my Norwex cloth after.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.
I also just swept the floor with my Norwex broom. And then moving on to the living room, all I do for the living room is I just tidy up the couches, I fluffen them up and put all the blankets and pillows on nicely. And then I take my Mrs.Meyers spray and I spray down the coffee table and some of the side tables. And then the last thing I do in the living room is I just take the vacuum and vacuum up all the floors. Of course I have to make my bed since this is my morning routine, so I'm just putting all the sheets on nicely, tucking them in, and then placing all the pillows nice. And I don't have my comforter on my bed because it's so hot here that I don't need it. I just need my sheet, so I just had it kind of on the side of my bed. For the bathroom, all I'm going to do is just clean down the sink and the mirror. So I'm taking my Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner and I'm just spraying down the sink area and wiping it down. I'm just taking some Windex and I'm spraying the mirror and cleaning that off. So that's it for a morning clean routine. Like I said before, I don't do a lot of deep cleaning. I just kind of tidy everything up and make it nice so the rest of the day I have a clean house. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please leave a thumbs up down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.